Hello all, this is Alexander Lees attending Full Sail University, currently in term 1406. This is our MIU class in the fourth week, and this is the last project, the utility application. Here in front of you I have a simple application that has a sign-in and a create a password and login, and then create a profile. So initially we'll go to new user, we'll go ahead and create a profile. Or excuse me, a sign up or login. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic. And here's the profile we have that we can create. Alex, alias, address, and below you'll see the picker wheel, which was a little bit hard to do. Not too difficult. It just took a little figuring out because I'd never done it before. So you've got a little scroll wheel, and you've got all 50 states in there. You can go ahead and choose North Carolina. Thank you for creating an account, Alex. Please sign in now. So now we can go ahead and sign in with the username and password we just created. Now that was probably one of the most difficult parts that I encountered. See, now we have a sign in here. We've got a little profile picture, profile name, and then just some of the information, address there and whatnot. And that was probably the most difficult part, was just trying to get the password. I didn't know how it was supposed to store it in the memory, and I still think I needed to do some more improvement on that, and how that works, because currently it only stores one single user, and if you create a new profile, it creates it on top of that one, and then so that's kind of a faulty design there, but and that would take some different improvements. And then this is how I did it. I used it, the titanium.app.properties.setString in the new user section here. And that way that would set, well, first I got the value from the text field, and then from the text field I set that string to a variable, and then I set that and stored it into the properties in the Titanium app, the actual application memory. So I know that I was reading some forums, and that's not necessarily the wisest way of doing things, but for the purpose of this application, that's what I did. And so here you go, and that was kind of the most difficult part, is figuring out how that worked and being able to do that. I've got some JSON, I've got an image located in here, and I've got done buttons and creates and sign-ups and navigation, proper navigation usage. So yeah, that's my application here. Most difficult part was getting the username and password to be stored in the memory, and then figuring out the picker wheel. And I also actually did have some difficulty with the screens, because I'm using the navigation. I had it set up differently, and I was trying to make an exit button or a back button, and without using the navigation bar. And so to do that, I did the nav bar hidden equal to true. And there were some difficulties in that, because it was trying to go back to the previous page, and I didn't have it close both pages initially. Like the 2 pages deep it would go, and it wouldn't close both of them. So I ended up figuring out how to do that and actually being able to do the exit button and whatnot. So yep, that's the application here. Thanks for watching.